there's a good news, bad news that's happening in the world today. The good news is there's more data available. The bad news is there's more data available. And it seems like that's just a compounding factor making criminal investigations more and more difficult. So I'd like to hear your thoughts on that.
Yeah, that's one of the things that I think about myself the most. How do you don't want to just have more data to produce more reports or just to have more volume. You want value out of all of that, right? You want to be able to be delivering and distilling and synthesizing all of those insights at in real time and only where necessary, and in a way that actually helps advance the cause of public safety, not in a way that actually distracts the human resources and personnel that are on the scene in very precarious positions. So it's a real balancing act between how you actually incorporate the right information to the right people at the right time, given their skill set and what they need. And that is actually, changing all the time as agencies morph into these new realms of digitally transformed enterprises, their roles themselves shift. And so this is an ongoing kind of process of adaptation and learnings and iteration.